This is the song Daniel was talking about. I paused it, but I will show you who made this, and it would be kind if you go subscribe to him because I appreciate that. Wait, I'll have to show them real quick. They're 7 Clouds Rock. I like them. They're the songs I listen to. I try to sing along. I'm sorry if they sound bad. Oh wait, aren't they? Maybe it's the way you say my name. Maybe it's the way you play your game. But it's so good. I never met anybody like you. But it's so good. I never dreamed of nobody like you. And I've heard of love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are the love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'll be mine. Mine. When I see forever in your eyes, I feel okay when I see you smile. Smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. Sadly, I'm about to cut it here. Wow, that was actually kind of long, but I hope you guys like it. Bye.